Okay, hello, good day sa lahat. Hello to all my followers. If there is a good day to you, uh, God is good all the time. Okay, so now our lesson for today is Mariadb.com downloads. We're going to install database. Okay, depends if you want my SQLi. MariaDB is like my SQL also. Last time when my SQL they they give they did not want they do not want to give free the my SQL. Then a lot of people changed to MariaDB, and now here there is pricing here. Now MariaDB has a pricing, so it's up to you. You can use my SQL and MariaDB in Oracle MySQL. Okay. So now we are going to integrate in just now. Our program is ready in PHP. Our server is ready in programming in PHP already. But the thing is how you can save your data. Let's say you are creating inventories of your system. You are creating sales, point of sales. You're doing the programming. Where do you going to put your data? See? So all you have to do is to download a database, then you create your database inside here. After that, create a PHP to connect to database and grab all the information inside your database. See, I want to see my users, my point of sales, my inventory. So that is the importance of this one. Okay. That's why more developers are doing like this. They install LAMP and WAMP. Okay. So now, that is the advantage of why we are doing this. We install first the Apache for the server that you can that it can run simultaneous in even how many people are connected to your PC. Everything is running fine. See how many people connected to Google every day. How many people connected to Facebook. That's how they did it. They, they hosted it. Like they have this Apache hosting software. Okay, so after that, okay, let's continue to our lesson. Okay, so that is the reason why we want to install this database. Okay, so as you can see here, you are going to visit this download. Okay, MariaDB download, and okay, let's try to download it. Like what I told you, my PC is always hang in recording when I'm connected to internet, so I've disconnected. Okay, so visit this website mariadb.com download. Okay, and click this button here, download. Ding! Then it will be downloaded here. Ding! Okay, very fast. Okay, if you click this one, you can see it in our folder. See, so it is here. Okay, and it's ready to install. Okay, so from the browser you can click also the history. Ding! See, very fast. And you can click here to install. So which one you want to run? Which one you want to use? So it's up to you. You can run here and you can run on that folder. Press Alt Tab to switch. Okay, Alt Tab. Okay, now switch window, Alt Tab. Alt and Tab. Okay, now we are going to install our MariaDB. And right click and install. Okay, sit back and relax and enjoy while we are installing this. But listen carefully. Click next. Hold your mouse with your right hand. click next. Accept all this agreement contract. Next. From here, you can you put X if you do not want to install this third party. Yeah, I don't like this development. I do not like this entire feature. I do not like. So, which one you like? But just put it back in original. Okay. Click reset and it will back to original setting. Just leave it all. Okay. See, there is the SQL here, so you can try that. So now here, I do not like to save in C program files Mariadb. So I will change it to drive C. So we have PHP in drive C, Apache in drive C, but that is not good practice. You can create your folder in your future drive. Wait, www, I want to save in drive E, okay? And I will create my www folder and put my www Apache 24, www PHP, www Mariadb. Okay? So, for the sake of tutorial, we just follow this. You can click your disk usage, 90 MB, it says. So you have 18 gig, so it's still okay. What says this picture require 179 MB. It's too small, not even gig, okay? So, balik, back is go back, next, browse, okay? And click this one here, and remove it here. Remove that one. I want on C. Click OK. And now it's ready to install in our directory, the your chosen one directory. Okay. And here, modify password for database user root. Yes. Okay. We type here ROOT. But it's up to you. Don't divulge your password. This is only tutorial, so this is very important. Don't divulge your root password. Root password is a super user. That is the SU in SQL in Microsoft. That is the SA, sorry. Super access. So from here, enable access from remote machine for root user. Okay, yes. Okay. Remote machine. Okay, yes. As you can see here, it's asking about data directory. You can use this one if you want. Okay. As a default UTF-8, but never mind that. You can practice. Okay. UTF-8 is the different character set. Actually, you can use it if you want. You can click this one also. Okay. But I think in those characters, this one is enough. ASCII code is enough for any data. Okay, so data directory, where you want to put your database. So I do not like to put here, so you can put in your drive E, something like that. Okay, but we don't want to edit that. Just put it drive C, so in the same directory. So you can hide. You can put in drive E only if you want. There is data there. Make sure you do not delete your data. That is the database. Okay, let's click next. Install service. The service name. Okay. We leave it Mariadb. Or we can type here my SQLI. See? You can do like that. My SQLI. Okay. And TC43306. So this is the port entry port. The entry point. And the buffer full size. This is the memory. Buffer full size. So page size 16. Okay. Okay. That's the paging size. So just leave it in the default. Okay, then click next, install. After install, wait. Do you want the apps to make changes in your computer? Yes. There is an administrator information. Okay. And then it's installing now. Okay. So now is graduation day. For you. So running Mariadb install dbx. Okay. So I will pause my video. Okay. Okay, class, it's finished. In a moment later. Finish. So if it is finished, goodbye. So that's it. You install it, and we are going to add that one in a path. Okay, let's do the administrator. Okay, we are in administrator. See administrator. Command prompt. It's okay. Sysdm here. Sorry. Sysdm.cpl for the window properties. You can type also in window R here. Window R. Here, you can type also. Sysdm.cpl. If you want that black screen, type cmd, enter. Okay, so it's up to you to choose. If you do not want to use the DOS base. Okay, so advance here, click the environment variables here, and double click the path here and click new here. Okay, and this is my old tutorial. I delete that already. For the sake of my student, I have to delete all that. Okay, and reinstall new. Then click browse and go to your C on your PC and find your Mariadb. Where are you? Bin, and click OK. So if you memorize already, you just type here direct. Okay, so we have now the PHP 8. We have the PHP 8. Well, PHP 8. Did I overwrite? I think I overwrite my exit. Okay. I think I overwrite my PHP 8. Oh, PHP 84, right? And this one is let's edit this, because this is my previous tutorial on syntax. Okay, so let's delete this and press new. Okay, new now. Okay, and browse it. Go to your C drive. Okay, and find it again. If you do not want to type Mariadb bin. Okay, bin means son. Bin means son. Bin is binary in IT. Binary, those executable binary file. Okay, so done. We have my SQL now. So if you press window R, this one in your keyboard, window, then letter R, and it will appear that one. Type here cmd, enter, and it will give you the black screen. See, this is the one. Okay, if you type sysdm or window R, you type sysdm.cpl and you click enter, and it will the same thing happen. It will bring you to Windows those properties, the one what we are doing. So now we install already our database. Okay, so let's take our services. Okay, let's take our services if there is in our services. So window R for the rack R let's check okay let's check in our services .msc. Ay, it's wrong. That's right, syntax. MSC. Okay. Services.msc, and let's wait for our services. Sleep first. Okay. And done. Okay, we found it. Okay, and let's zoom this. Let's review. Oh, we have the MySQL. Is it running? Double click it and check. This is the path executable. Mariadb MySQLD exe. Default file C Mariadb data in my ini files. That's what I told you. You can find my ini files in my SQ in this directory, MySQL data. Automatic, so every time you on your PC, it is running the services already. So it's alive. He's alive. Okay. Now, if your MariaDB is alive, let's visit the MariaDB if it is alive. cd MariaDB, enter. cd bin, enter. cd change directory. Now my SQL, actually it is my SQL also. That's why I told you this is my SQL. Minus user as the root. There is a syntax. Okay. How my SQL help? My SQL 8 or SQL.8 like Linux. Oh, it says my SQL help. Cannot. So my SQL slash question mark. Cannot. How to show the help of my SQL outside. So never mind that one. Okay. So I know that. SQL minus B is version access denied for the user localhost. Okay. This one is how to connect inside the database manually. My SQL minus user is the root, minus P password is root, enter. So it's asking about the password, root, enter. Thinking because it should be here. Okay, should be there. It's thinking you are typing database. Okay, so we are now inside, and this is the MySQL help. Okay, so now show databases. Show databases. I teach you already in my previous tutorial how to, so these are the database MySQL. So you can create your database here. You create you review how to create database, and how to use database. So just quit because you can use PHP already in controlling this database. Okay, you can create a script in Notepad. You can export and import your database. The space here, and there is a command of source also. source, then automatically your database will go here inside. Okay, so now our database is ready. So what we are trying to do is how we can communicate on that database using PHP. Okay, so the things you are going to check is your PHP ini here. See, it says here my SQLi is using 3306. This one is wrong, it will not run. You can change this. Remember, this is PHP ini, huh? The initialization of PHP. So you can change this to port to whatever you want, and you can change also the MySQL, the myini. Okay, where is the myini files? I told you this is PHP ini, httpd point conf, and that the important files I told you that you can do all. Okay, Mariadb here, cd Mariadb, and you can explore. You can use Explorer here, but I want to see the data. It says there directory. See, here it is, the my.ini file. Okay, so this is it, the myini file. Okay, zoom it, my.ini. Okay, from here you can notepad my.ini, or if you are a Windows user, I love command line actually. CMD, it's like in Linux, they are more on CMD. So you click here, you go to C, and it takes time doing all those things. Mariadb, okay, data, and where is my email? This is the one. You see, there is a gear, meaning setting. Remember that. So a gear setting, and once you open it, you have to see in PHP is 3306 and 43306. Okay, so it works. So in your firewall, if it is not working outside, inside, you add the port number in the firewall. Okay, so that's it, ready to go. Let's try a command. Let's try PHP code to how to run the program. Okay, we're going to create our program. Remember that port. Okay, never mind. Let's okay, this is T06, and from here I have my login index here, Mending Weber CS3, and we're going to copy this PHP code. Okay, it's my code. Okay, let's copy this one, but make sure you have the end tag, and delete this and copy it. Actually, I think it is in the index PHP login. It is my PHP login location. Okay, so let's exit that one. As you can see, okay, that's how you connect it. Okay, so from here, you visit the Apache location of the htdocs. Okay, you visit the Apache location here. We have C drive, and we have C here, and Apache here, and as you can see we have the htdoc, but there is login here. Okay, so I put some code here, and in index, right click this one, index file, and edit in the notepad. Okay, so I downloaded my program, but okay, now we are running PHP info. Let's try. Okay, from here you can refresh, and I told you how to add the MySQLi, and if the PHP have the same put with MySQL, it will run. Okay, but if that one is different in ini, you try, but make sure you start the services. It will not run anymore. Okay, so now we're going to edit this and delete this PHP info, and remove this comment in programming. This is all comment in programming. Okay, so last time my password is capital root in my previous tutorial, so I change this into root. Okay, what will happen here, you create in PHP, every variable is begin with a dollar. Okay, later on I will teach you PHP also. So wait for a while. I need to answer this. For a while. Sorry. 9 minutes. Trying to make SMS. Okay, so that is our server name. You can type 127.0.0.0, 127.0.0.1. You can type the local host root and create connection. This is the connection variable, new, one object of MySQL. You are using instances, so server name, so that's the one. Username, this is the one. Password, that is the one. The connection, if it is spelled error, it connects. So if we see this echo connected successfully, you can add here I love connection successfully, then I love teach yourself. Okay, so teach yourself. Press save. S. Okay. So now we run our program, and once you see that is refresh, connected successfully. Okay, hallelujah. Hosanna, praise the God. So that's it, no? So I can end now my video. Sorry for some disturbances. Okay, so we are in live. Thanks so much.